delightful financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. and welcome to another savory Taco Tuesday. I'm excited to spice up our savings with delicious financial wisdom today. We'll be filling our Zesty Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelope and following our sweet pig's journey of balancing savings dreams with spending desires. Just like crafting the perfect taco, creating your financial life requires thoughtful artistry and perfect balance. Let's transform our space into the most inspiring financial kitchen. Today, for our variable savings challenges, for Taco Tuesday, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have $225 to go towards our variable envelopes. The reason I say variable is because Taco Tuesday is one that we can plan for. So we know exactly how much we're gonna save for Taco Tuesday, so I put that money to the side ahead of time. We're gonna start our savings today with none other than Taco Tuesday. And for today's Taco Tuesday, we will be saving $16. So let's grab our $16 from the back. We've got our 16 here. And we're gonna go ahead and color in 16. All right, we're gonna put this to the side so it can dry. And let's see how much we have saved in Taco Tuesday thus far this year. We have $500 in our high yield savings account and 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So we're gonna put a 5 here, the 20 there, and this should be another $20. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's get a $20 bill so that we can condense this. Saving our envelope, condensing without going to the bank. We're gonna put in our 10 here, our 5, and we have 5 ones. All right, so now we have a very condensed $545 saved with our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. Now let's take a look and see what exactly is going on with our girlfriend Georgette. We're going to start our savings challenges off today with our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. We're gonna take our page out to make things a bit easier on us. And today we are going to scratch off 2 of our stickers here. And for our first scratch off, we're saving $2. 1, 2. And for our next one, we'll go all the way up here and we're saving $3. So we're gonna put this 2 back and get a 5. Now let's turn it over on the back. And on the back side, we are saving $9. So let's put this 5 back and get a 10 and then 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now give me a moment to get these colored and I'll be right back. All right, and we've got $4, $8, $9 colored in. So today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, we're saving $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. Now let's put this back and take a look and see how much we've saved thus far in this challenge this year. All right, let's take a look. And we have $1,100 in high yield savings, plus $100 in surplus reserve, so that's $1,200. 50, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, $76. So we've got a 50, a 1, and let's get $25 from out of our surplus reserve to condense this. We have a 20 here and 5 here. So now we put our 2 10s in here and 5 1s in here. So now we have a condensed $1,276. We're gonna move right along to Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And in this challenge today, we are going to scratch off 3 of these. We're gonna go right here. We are saving $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're gonna go all the way up here, and that's 4. So since we've got 9 here, we are going to put 3 here and get a 10. And scratch off 1 more. We'll go right here next to Georgette. And we are saving another $3. So let's take this $2 here and get a 5. So now on this side, we've got $16 saved. Turn it over. And this is our third Tuesday. So we are going to scratch off, well, we are going to save for 2 of these. And for coloring in, we're gonna go ahead and color a piece of cheese for $2. And then I'm feeling a bit adventurous. So we are going to roll a die to find out how much we're gonna save for this slice of cheese. So we're gonna put 1 die here. Let's roll and see what we get. And we have 3. So we're going to save $3 here for that slice of cheese, plus $2 for this slice of cheese, which makes $5 for this side. Give me a moment, I'm gonna color this cheese, be right back. And there we go, we've got our wedge of cheese colored and our $3 for that slice of cheese there. So total, in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we've saved $21. Let's take a look and see how much we've saved total thus far now that we are compiling the funds from this challenge. Now, total thus far in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we have 400 in surplus reserve, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52. Since we do have 50 here, we're gonna condense using surplus reserve and get a $50 bill here, 20 here, 2 10s here, which makes 40, and 2 5s to make 50. Put our surplus reserve there. And now we have a very condensed $452 saved in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And that's another delectable Taco Tuesday wrapped up with complete satisfaction. Just like a perfect taco brings flavors together in harmony, you're combining your financial habits to create something truly sustainable and uniquely yours. Thank you for joining today's flavorful adventure, my incredible financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., reminding you that financial wellness should taste as wonderful as it feels. Keep being amazing and keep those envelopes flourishing. I'll see you next time.